Well guys, look what I have in front of me. The Galaxy Saturn. Now this radio has some major issues with it. Lots of issues. The frequency display don't work properly. We had a circuit board break down here. You plug this thing in, transformer, here's a big bang out of it. And inside of here, we have capacitor exploded. Well, just will say exploded. It did. Burned up. Yeah. Let's plug this in just to give you an idea of what it's doing right now. Ain't that a lovely sound? Switch works. Volume works. So you have to determine where our gain works. Tone seems to work a little bit. Wow. So, this is the next critter on the bench to try and resuscitate. She's gonna be fun. Electric tape special again. Gotta love that. This one belongs to an amateur radio operator, so I'm very surprised that the Galaxy didn't have an external DC power input. I was very surprised at that, you know? I always thought that these would have had that done with them. On the back, you have a frequency counter, record, antenna, PA, external speaker, CW key. You get your fuse. She took a crack there. The aluminum shield here got a bit of a kink that way. So it looks like she might have been dropped at some point. And with that kink, it kind of puts a bit of stress on this circuit board here. But anyway. So this is the next thing to try to fix. Anyway, stay tuned for more on this Galaxy Saturn. Till we tries to bring her back to life. Maybe. Anyway guys, we'll chat in a bit.